These are the Barnyard Bees that I installed about 3 weeks ago. They're doing really, really well. As you can see, just giving them a extra frame of comb so they don't have to build wax and she can keep on laying eggs. But I don't know if you can see, looks like little tiny grains of rice, and those are the eggs. It's really cool to see the different stages. And let's see, let me get this focused. Right, there's a larvae right there, and all of this is capped brood, and all these bees are attending to it and taking care of them. And there, let's see, oh, there's some larvae. They'll keep feeding those until it's ready to cap, and then they'll cap it off with wax, and then they'll hatch. So just some interesting. I like this black plastic foundation because you can see the eggs so much easier. That just means the queen's doing great.